In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your own online business today with the potential of making $1,400 or more in a day with this business that you only have to set up one time. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything is based on your effort. And if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this business after my company cut my pay because that's when I decided I didn't want to get another job because I was completely sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. I wanted to be financially independent without all the restrictions that jobs have. I wanted to figure out how to make money outside of a job, and that's when I discovered this. One day I was scrolling on social media, and that's when I discovered this business. And what attracted me to this opportunity is the fact that you earn 100% profit. You can earn up to $1,400 per sale, fully automated, community training support, everything you need to be successful, millionaire mentoring. And then the fact that you don't have to get on the phone with people, you don't have to cold message strangers, you don't have to bother friends and family, you don't have to pay for ads, you don't need tech skills, you don't need a following, you don't need experience. You don't even need a high school diploma to do this. You just actually have to do it. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen with you. I'm going to show you how this business looks and works and everything. But first, let me break down like how an online business works in general, right? So first is like the offer, okay? The offer is the thing that you're selling. Now I promote one offer, but inside of my one offer, there's 10 different income streams. So I can earn anywhere from 100 to $1,400 per sale. And the cool thing is we earn 100% profit here. It's called master resale rights. Okay. It's when you have the resale rights to a digital product that you didn't even create yourself and you earn 100% profit. So you want to promote some kind of offer, something that's in high demand. Like our products are proven to sell. Okay, we did $29 million in sales in 10 months. So we have high demand digital products in the e-learning industry. So you want something that's proven to sell, something that's high demand. Okay. Step number two, you need a system. This is how you automate your income. This is how you make money in your sleep. Okay. Through automations. And what do those automations include? You have a capture page. People go here, they put their email in, they watch videos, they get emails from you, they go to your website, they buy stuff. This is how I've made thousands of dollars with this business. There's people in our community that have made hundreds of thousands of dollars, even people that have made over $1 million with this business. Okay. So step number three is a strategy. This is what you do to attract customers. Now, there's four basic ways to attract customers for any business, right? You can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, and you can do free content. So we teach you the free content strategies mainly, right? So all you got to do is post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Just choose your favorite platform or platforms and start posting. Post and get rich, okay? Then go live, okay? We teach you how to post content. We teach you how to go live. And we teach you how to post free ads. Even if you have zero experience, it doesn't matter. We show you how to do it step by step. So by posting content, by going live, by posting ads, people go to your website and they buy stuff. That's literally how I've made thousands of dollars and how people have made hundreds of thousands of dollars, even over $1 million doing the same stuff, posting content, driving traffic to the offer. Okay. So if you want to get started with this, or if you want to learn more, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the bio. Okay. Enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. And if you have any questions, just reply to my emails. Now, let me share my screen and show you how this business works. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. Okay. So this is what the automations look like. This is what it looks like. This is called a capture page, right? You can set up this whole system in 1 to 2 days, right? Basically, it took me a few hours to set this up. You don't need tech skills. Okay. We show you how to set it up. It's pre-built. So people go here, they put their email in. You're building your email list. Okay. Then they go here, they watch one of these videos. The video's doing the selling for you, right? And they have a button here. Okay. And when they click on this button, it takes them to the website that looks like this. But there's also another video that we send out in people's emails. So the two videos are answering 99% of the questions for you. The two videos are doing the selling for you, right? That's how the automations work. And then they go to your website, which is here, and they can purchase one of the products, okay? A beginner-friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom, right? This is what this program is, guys. This is a program, and we teach you how to make 6 and 7 figures. Plus, we give you a business like this. This is the business that you get to use. A global business opportunity, building recurring income streams, monetizing social media, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. Create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop, monetization, become certified in digital marketing. This is everything that we teach you. Okay. So we have over 59,000 people in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. Okay. So this is what our program does. It helps you build a real digital business so you can create income freedom in a future that actually lasts. Okay. I'm just going to show you the website. There's testimonials on the website. Why people love our program. Beginner friendly training, 2-hour workday, 2-hour a day workflow, work anywhere. Okay. Available in English and Spanish. It's a global opportunity. Simple steps and tools to follow. No tech overwhelm. Keep every dollar you make up to $1,400 per sale. Learn to attract daily paid customers. Predictable income. Okay. You're not doing this alone. There's a community for training and support. Okay, here's your bio section. You just put your picture in and your bio. Okay, why this is perfect for you. Instantly access your pre-built digital business and blueprint that's been tested for success. Just plug in, connect, and start. This is perfect for you if you want to make extra income from home but don't know where to start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop. Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. Okay. And here's more stories, more testimonials. We also teach you how to use AI, different AI tools to help you build your business and build multiple streams of income. Okay. There's also a certification training you get to go through. So you become a certified reseller of these programs. Okay. And it's a global business. It's in English and in Spanish, right? So, and this shows you what you're going to learn inside of the program. Okay. Shows you what you're going to learn. And yeah, and this is what we sell. Okay. So the business, we sell these 5 digital programs, right? Okay. In the e-learning industry. And this video explains what the programs are. So people can go here and they purchase one of the programs. So there's 5 in English, 5 in Spanish. So they can purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, the 900, or the 1400. And every time they purchase, you get paid instantly directly to you through your payment processor, right? So it's a one-time investment to get started with this business, right? I also invested. So if you want to start this business, one-time investment, you purchase one of the programs, 0 monthly fees. You purchase the program and you pay your website fee. So let's say you start with the 1400. I recommend that because if you start at the 1400, you have access to everything. Plus you have the resale rights to all the programs. So you can earn 1400 commissions and below. You can only earn at the level that you're at and below. Okay. So let's say you started at the 100 or your customer started at the 100. They can only earn at that level. Okay. So you want to start at the highest level that you can possibly start at. And each program unlocks more training, okay? More information. That's what the product is. It's the program. It's the digital program. It's the educational program, okay? So and then you get all these bonuses. You get access to our community for free where you get millionaire mentoring. You get all this bonus training stuff right here. You get to learn how to create your own community, how to do faceless, how to create your own digital products. So that's pretty much what the website looks like. And then there's frequently asked questions at the bottom. So this website is doing the work for you. This website is what has made us thousands and millions of dollars inside of our community. Okay. So let's say you decide to join the business, you purchase one of the programs. You're going to have access to your programs here inside of Kajabi. Your bonuses are here. Your certification training's here. Your program here is here. Your website setup. So you just want to go in through the program. Like this is a learn at your own pace. Okay. So whatever you learn from the program, you can apply into building your business and building multiple streams of income, right? So you just watch the video. Welcome here. Watch the video. Okay. Start here. Go through here. Watch these videos. And then in the second one, phase 2 attraction. Now in here, we have the launch to profit training. This teaches you how to get your first customer in 7 days. So you want to make sure you go through that. It's going to show you what to post for the first 7 days of your business. Okay. And that's the program, right? You just go through the program around your schedule. Okay. And then the website setup, like you got to set up these pages, right? You got to set up your system. So this shows you how to set up your website, how to set up your system. You just watch the videos. It's very straightforward. So we show you which accounts you need to open and set up if you don't have them. We show you how to get your own domain. Like my domain is 7-Figure Monk. Get your own domain. Okay, we show you how to do that. At GoDaddy, how to get your own business email if you don't have it. You need that for a business. And then we show you how to set up your payment and gateways like Square, Stripe, PayPal. And then we show you how to connect your system, your domain, basically how to get these pages set up. Okay. So you can set up, like all you got to do is watch the videos it shows you how to do everything. You watch the videos, okay, go through the videos, set up your system. You can set up in a few hours. It doesn't take too long. And then you're ready to go. And then you have access to our community as well. So inside of our community, we have over 59,000 people. And let's go to the win section so you can see proof that people are making money. Okay, she made $1,400, one sale, 1,400. I'm forever grateful to God for allowing me to be part of such a life-changing business opportunity. I started as a beginner without tech skills and a following, and now we are here. Okay, 1,400 in one day, that's pretty amazing. How would you feel if you started having $1,400 days? Wouldn't it be nice to start having $1,400 days? If I can do it, if they can do it, you can do it, right? You got to see these people and be like, okay, if she can do it, I can do it. If she can do it, I can do it. Logan, he made 2,500 this week. Okay. If he can do it, you can do it. Okay. If he can do it, I can do it. You got to say that. You got to believe it, achieve it. Okay. So he made 2,500 this week. She made another sale. Boom. $100. Okay. She made $1,400. One sale, $1,400. Boom. There you go. Okay. So she has 20,000 followers on her TikTok. See, people post whatever ones they want to post. She made her first $300 sale. So I'm so grateful. Thank you, God. There you go. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. So that's the wins. Okay. And then when you get inside of the community, just introduce yourself here. You can introduce yourself, ask questions. If you have questions about anything, there's 24/7 support inside of our community. And then the classroom, getting started, accessing your program, watch that just so you can understand more. We have these 90-day runs. We teach you how to make 30K in 90 days. So you can watch all these videos showing you how to make 30K in 90 days. Calendar shows you when we have live events. Like tomorrow, we got Turn Your Passion into Income. We got these special live events going on. Okay. So there you go. And yeah, and that's the community. And yeah, so like I said, we follow the 2-hour workday. You get your business set up. And how do we promote our business? We teach you free content strategies, posting content on social media, going live, posting free ads. So let me show you, for example, my YouTube channel that I use to build this business, right? So look, I have long form videos like this. Okay. Either it's building my business or maybe it's some kind of like manifestation thing, marketing tips. Like I do a lot of mindset, marketing tips, manifestation tips, stuff like that. And then I promote my business too. Like this is a long form video that I'm going to post to YouTube, right? This video that you're watching right now. I'm going to post it to YouTube. You're watching on YouTube right now, right? If you're watching. And if you have questions, drop it in the comments, okay? So I do my long form videos, then I do my short form videos like this, talking videos, 7-second videos with words on the screen. Okay, I create videos like this. My lives are recorded. So I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok. My lives are recorded. I got different playlists that I create. And then I got posts like this. Okay, this is like a value. So I like to mix value and business. This is like a value post, nothing to do with my business, just giving people value, motivation, inspiration, education, things like that. Here's another value post, value post, value, 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 pretty much all value here. Nothing really. Yeah, this one's about my business. That's a business post. Okay. So there you go. Mix the business and the value. Same thing with TikTok, right? Short form videos, like a minute, 7-second videos, TikTok. Just value, business value, business value. Create curiosity about what you're doing. Take people on your journey. We teach you how to do this stuff too. And then you can post free ads because people are going online. They're looking for ways to make money and things like that. So you can post ads anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter where. Build wealth. Okay. This is a business opportunity. It's a side hustle, entrepreneurship, investing. I can post in any one of these work from home jobs. I just post my little ad like this. Boom. That's how you post an ad. Really simple. It takes like a minute. And we have training for how to post free ads. Okay. So then somebody can go and they can see my ad. For example, here's one of my ads that I posted. Okay, they go here, they check out my ad, and there you go. And then they can go to my website, they can go to my YouTube channel because I'm posting free ads. So that's another thing you can do is also post free ads. All right. So if you want to get started, go to sevenfiguremonk.com, check out the information, reply to my emails if you have any questions. Otherwise, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know somebody who's looking for legitimate ways to make money online, then just share this video with them. All right. Otherwise, Thank you for watching and